Welcome back to the channel once again. Today we are here with a new video in which you'll listen to two football fans discussing one of the most exciting topics in world football, the FIFA World Cup. The World Cup brings together the best nations, the greatest players, and unforgettable moments that unite fans across the globe. In this conversation, two friends share their opinions about the tournament favorites, the teams they believe have the best chance of lifting the trophy, and the players they admire the most. From legendary superstars to rising young talents, they'll discuss what makes these footballers special and why certain nations stand out as contenders. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this exciting football discussion. Hey everyone, the FIFA World Cup is always one of my favorite tournaments. The excitement, the atmosphere, and the quality of football are just unmatched.
Absolutely. Every 4 years, fans from all around the world come together to watch the biggest football event on the planet. It's truly special. So let's talk about the favorites. Which team do you think has the best chance of winning the World Cup? That's a difficult question because there are several strong teams. But if I had to pick one, I'd say Argentina is always among the favorites. Good choice. Argentina has a winning mentality and a squad full of talented players. They've shown they can perform under pressure. Exactly. Their teamwork is impressive, and they always seem to rise to the occasion during major tournaments. What about France? They're another team that consistently performs well. France is definitely one of the strongest teams. Their squad depth is incredible. Even their bench players could start for many national teams. That's true. They have quality in every position, from defense to attack, and they play with confidence. When France is at its best, they're very difficult to stop. Another nation I think deserves attention is Brazil. Of course, Brazil and the World Cup go hand in hand. Their footballing history is legendary. I love watching Brazil because they combine skill, creativity, and attacking football. Same here. Their style is entertaining, and they always produce exciting players. Speaking of players, who is your favorite footballer right now? My favorite is Kylian Mbappe. His speed, finishing, and decision-making are unbelievable. Great choice. Mbappe is one of the most dangerous attackers in world football. Every time he gets the ball, defenders look nervous. That's because he can change a game in a matter of seconds. Exactly. What about you? Who's your favorite player? My favorite is Lionel Messi. Even after all these years, his vision and technique remain extraordinary. Messi is a football genius. Watching him play is like watching art. I agree. His ability to control the tempo of a match is remarkable, and his passing range is incredible. Absolutely. He can create opportunities that most players don't even see. That's what makes him special. Do you think England has a chance of winning the World Cup? Definitely. England has a talented generation of players. Their attack is very strong. Yes, and they also have quality midfielders who can control games. The challenge for England is consistency. That's true. If they stay focused and avoid mistakes, they can go very far. What do you think about Spain? Spain is always dangerous because of their possession-based football. They are excellent at keeping the ball. Exactly. Their technical ability allows them to dominate matches. And they have some exciting young players coming through. The future certainly looks bright for Spain. Let's talk about dark horses. Which team could surprise everyone? I think Portugal could surprise a lot of people. Interesting choice. They have a balanced squad with experience and youth. Their attacking options are impressive. Very impressive. They can score goals from different areas of the pitch. I think the Netherlands could also make a deep run. That's a good shout. The Dutch always seem to play attractive football. And they have some strong defenders as well. Defense wins tournaments, so that's an important advantage. Speaking of defense, which team do you think has the best defensive setup? I'd probably say France. That's fair. They're organized, athletic, and difficult to break down. Their balance between defense and attack is excellent. Exactly. That's why they're always among the favorites. Let's move back to individual players. Besides Mbappe, who else do you enjoy watching? Jude Bellingham. Fantastic player. He has maturity beyond his years. His work rate is incredible, and he contributes in attack and defense. That's what makes him such a complete midfielder. What about your second favorite player? I'd say Kevin De Bruyne, one of the best midfielders of this generation. His passing ability is world-class. He can unlock any defense with a single pass. Exactly. Which young player do you think could become a superstar at the World Cup? I think Jamal Musiala has that potential. Great choice. He's creative and fearless. He loves taking on defenders. And his ball control is exceptional. Another player I like is Pedri. Pedri is so intelligent on the ball. He always seems to make the right decision. That's a rare quality. Which World Cup team would you most like to watch? Brazil. Same here. Their matches are usually exciting. You never know when a moment of brilliance will happen. Exactly. What do you think is the most important factor in winning the World Cup? Team chemistry. Interesting answer. Talent is important, but players need to work together. I agree. Teams that trust each other often perform better under pressure. I think mentality is equally important. Absolutely. The pressure of the World Cup can be overwhelming. Only the mentally strongest teams survive. That's why experience matters. Very true. Let's imagine the final. Which two teams do you think could reach it? I'll go with France and Argentina. That's a blockbuster final. What about you? I think Brazil and France. That would also be an amazing match. Lots of attacking talent on display. Definitely. Which player do you think could win the Golden Boot? My pick is Kylian Mbappe. Strong choice. He gets into scoring positions consistently. I'd probably choose Harry Kane. Another excellent option. He's one of the most reliable goal scorers in football. And he's excellent at penalties too. Exactly. Which goalkeeper do you think could have a standout tournament? I think Alisson could be crucial for Brazil. Great goalkeeper. His shot-stopping ability is outstanding. I'd choose Mike Mignon, another world-class goalkeeper. He gives confidence to the entire defense. That's very important in tournament football. Definitely. Do you enjoy the group stage or knockout stage more? Knockout stage. Same here. Every match feels like a final. One mistake can end a team's dream. That's what makes it exciting. The drama is unforgettable, especially penalty shootouts. They are nerve-wracking. As a fan, it's impossible to stay calm. Very true. That's the beauty of the World Cup. Before we finish, let's make our final predictions. All right, my World Cup winner is France, and my player of the tournament is Mbappe. Great picks. My World Cup winner is Brazil, and my player of the tournament is Messi. No matter who wins, football fans are going to enjoy an incredible tournament. Absolutely. The World Cup always creates unforgettable memories. New heroes emerge, records are broken, and history is made. That's why billions of people watch it. It's the ultimate celebration of football. Well, that's all from us today. We hope you enjoyed our discussion about the FIFA World Cup favorites and our favorite players. Let us know in the comments which team you think will win the World Cup. And don't forget to tell us who your favorite player is. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.